The structure and functions of the small intestine. Your small intestine is an unbelievable organ that has many important roles in everyday bodily functions. When you chew food, then swallow it, it enters your esophagus, which connects with and passes the food to your stomach, which connects with and passes it to your small intestine. And your small intestine is located just below your stomach as it coils and loops, filling a large portion of your abdominal cavity. The small intestine has 3 sections, with the duodenum being the first section, and it wraps around the pancreas and connects to the pylorus of the stomach. The jejunum is the second middle region of the small intestine, and the ileum being the third section. At the end of the ileum is the ileocecal valve, which controls the entry of materials into the large intestine. The wall of the small intestine is comprised of a mucosa or mucous membrane, a submucosa, a layer of circular muscle, a layer of longitudinal muscle, and a serosa. The mucosa and submucosa have internal circular folds, as you can see here in this photo of the duodenum. These folds are more numerous in the duodenum and jejunum, and they increase the surface area, which slows down the movement of materials from the stomach and also provides for more nutrient digestion and absorption. The structure of these folds is absolutely amazing, as they have finger-like projections called villi. Each individual villus contains a rich capillary network, as well as a lacteal, which is a lymphatic capillary. The blood capillaries absorb most of the nutrients, and the lacteal absorbs lipids or fats and lipid-soluble vitamins. There are mainly 2 types of cells that line the surface of a villus: absorptive cells, called enterocytes, and mucus-producing goblet cells. The enterocyte cells have a rapid turnover, as they are shed and excreted in the feces approximately every 3 to 5 days. The enterocytes have tiny hair-like projections called microvilli, also described as the brush border. This brush border contains enzymes that complete the chemical digestion or breakdown of nutrients before absorption takes place. These microvilli increase the surface area even more, providing for even greater digestion and absorption. Scattered throughout the surface of a villus are also tuft cells, which are believed to secrete endorphins and enzymes that make prostaglandins, which are a type of fat that enhances the immune system. Deep in the valleys between the villi are depressions called crypts or intestinal glands. These crypts contain enteroendocrine cells that secrete hormones, intestinal stem cells, which produce daughter cells that push upwards and become enterocytes. Paneth cells are also located here, and they protect against bacterial growth. The small intestine has 2 important functions: digestion of nutrients and absorption of nutrients. The tremendous amount of surface area of this organ makes it perfect for this. I will cover in depth the process of digestion and absorption of all the different types of nutrients in future videos. And that be the basics on the structure and functions of the small intestine.